everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can be making free USDT with this new Telegram bot. All you have to do is click on the link on the description or in the comments. It will take you to your Telegram where you will see this. Okay, once you come here, click on start. All right, and it's going to open up. Then click on start now so that you can be able to open the bot. Okay, so let's click on start now and allow it to open. So once it opens, you are going to see something like this announcement. Get ready to start an exciting adventure. Here you will become a chicken farmer. Constantly expand your chicken farm, raise many chickens, lay many eggs. You can steal eggs from friends. Every egg you pick up can be sold immediately to earn USDT and withdraw instantly. Come and make money for free. You can withdraw at any time. The minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT. Okay, as you can see here, the minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT. All you do here is come here every 2 hours and claim and hash your egg and claim your USDT. Okay, as you can see here, you can see I have one egg that is available here for me to claim, and then in the next 1 hour 42 minutes another egg will come out and I will come and hash it. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on this egg right now so that I will earn my free USDT. So once I click on it, it's going to break, and then you have successfully received this. Okay, it's going to add up to my profit. As you can see here, I have 0.5 USDT here. So you are entitled to 12x every day. So every day you come to this app, you're entitled to 12x. So you break all your eggs and claim your USDT. Then if you want to increase the eggs that you receive per day, you can go ahead and register for this VIP too. Okay, but if you just want to be claiming the free ones they gave you, just come every 2 hours and claim your USDT. But if you want to invest, you can go ahead and invest with this VIP too. Okay, just invest $15 and you'll be entitled to 58x per day, and this will last you for 30 days. So when you calculate it, you'll see the amount you are going to make. It is too much. Okay, so you can also go ahead and do VIP 3, where you'll be getting maximum of 100x per day. But if you do not want to do that, you can also go ahead and just be using the free version of this. Okay, so this bot, you earn free USDT which you can withdraw to your crypto wallet. Okay, so if I click on withdraw right now, you are going to see I have 0.5 USDT here. Okay, if I click on withdraw, you see that I have about 2.67 TRS. So I can go ahead and withdraw it as a TRS into my any of my crypto wallets, or I can go ahead and exchange it to USDT and also withdraw it into any of my crypto wallets. So this is where you make free USDT. Go ahead and use the link on the description or on the comment and register right now and start making your free USDT. If you come over to this ranking, you are going to see many people and how many eggs they have earned for today. Okay, look at this person. This person have earned over 904 9,400 eggs. He has hashed over 9,400 eggs today, while this person has hashed over 700, and the rest of them. Okay, so this is what you do with this Telegram bot, and you can withdraw every day. Okay, let's go to withdrawal so that you see that you can withdraw every day. If you go down, you are going to see. Okay, let's click on withdraw. So if you look at what they said, withdrawals usually arrive in your account within a few minutes or within 24 hours. Withdrawals are available from Monday to Friday, but not on Saturdays and Sundays. So you can withdraw from Mondays to Friday and not Saturdays on Sundays. So you can withdraw every day except on weekends. Okay, so if you want to withdraw as a TRS, you need minimum of 13 TRS to withdraw. But if you want to withdraw as USDT, you need minimum of 2 USDT to withdraw. Okay, so go ahead and register and start making free USDT for yourself with this new bot. Okay, before ahead, register and start making free USDT for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you find value in my video, please make sure you comment, like, and share to your friends. Also hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to always get notified anytime I post videos like this. Thank you.